A leaked Pixel 8 switch to Pixel ad posted to X by Arsene Lupin highlights Google's AI features, including Best Take, which lets you swap faces into an image from other pictures. Google's Pixel event is just around the corner on October 4th, but there's seemingly very little we don't already know about the phone, considering the steady stream of leaks. The ad kicks off highlighting the process for transferring data to a Pixel 8, but spends most of its time on the AI features of the phone. Some new, like Best Take, and some old, like Magic Eraser. 9 to 5 Google also points to a leak from Kamila Wojcikowska, who posted apparent marketing materials showing updated first-party silicone Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro cases. Wojcikowska says the Pixel 8 cases will come in rose, mint, charcoal, and hazel colors, while the Pixel 8 Pro cases will get bay, charcoal, mint, and porcelain. They look a lot like last year's cases. Are you excited for the Pixel 8 Pro? Comment below. Peace out.